everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama out here with another customer creation, and this is for my friends Enola and Charles, going all the way to Iowa just in time for Christmas. Now these customers they were dolls, like perfect. They let me have some influence over their choices, and you're gonna see a lot of my style here. This was such a wonderful build for me. I want to talk about some things. First, 28 by 56. We call this home the Windale, about 1,500 square feet. You can pick this baby up starting with a base price of around $100,000, and it's a little windy out here. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail, the Mobile Home Mama is taking videos of homes. We're building houses. That's what we do here. I wanted to talk about one of the things on the outside. But can I just vent for a second, guys? Remember, I switched my whole life over to Apple. I want to tell you, I just did this video, the whole thing upside down. So we're back. And this is tough to get used to, but we're going to see if we can make this work. All right, I want to talk about this dormer. You can see that the dormer is kind of off-centered. We originally had it centered right over the door right there. But if we would have kept it and built it that way, then we would not have been able to cover the picture window. And what's the purpose of a dormer? Well, it looks nice for one, but the main construction purpose of a dormer is that, and this customer is doing that, most people build out from that dormer to make sure that they can get a covered porch. That's what it ends up being. So right in mid-production, this baby was about to be rolled off the line. We noticed that the dormer was in the wrong placement, so we called the customer and we fixed it. And that's what we do here. We personalize floor plans for you all so that we can make sure that your lifestyle is comfy. So when the dormer's off, we're gonna stop and we're gonna talk about it. Coming into the front door, this is the living area, and the first thing we're gonna notice is we've got a bunch of packing materials on the floor, and that's where we put everything that is needed to install the home on a very large piece of plastic. You'll have everything in here. I'm not going to go through everything, but you'll see everything you need is right here. Notice on the walls, we've got drywall. We've got a white wrapped profile trim. This is always a classy feature to add. We've got an 82 by 60 picture window, and let's get a little closer. So this opens from both sides. When you open the window this way, you're going to have screens on both sides. We've got perimeter heat and thunder on the floor. If I turn around, try to slow it down. I was watching some of my old videos and wow, I really probably made you guys dizzy. Craftsman door in the front. So if you want a few windows, 6 windows to be exact on the top, the Craftsman door is the way to go. We also have a 9 light that we're going to see at the back door of the B half. This is the A half. Your home's going to come in 2 pieces. Got a ceiling fan also in the middle of the ceiling here. Linoleum throughout. A lot of customers are going that way. Carpet's kind of a thing of the past. If people put that in their house, they're going to put it in the bedrooms. Speaking of bedrooms, this is the primary. Customers added 2 windows over there on the end wall. Go to the other side and get you a good view of this. You're not seeing any closet in here because we're going to find it on the B half in the bathroom. 4661, that's the egress window. You always have to have a window in there in case of fire so you can climb out. All right, I'm noticing a cold air return up in the ceiling. And then our doors are cut short also to provide maximum air circulation, especially in Enola and Charles did opt for the gas furnace, which is a 90% efficiency furnace. And so we need lots of airflow to make it comfortable. Bed number 2 and number 3 is going to be on the other side of that wall. Okay, here we go. I think we're still the right side up. I can't believe I did that. So when you would be coming down the hallway, you would come to this opening right here, and it would be an opening that would take you to bedroom number 2 and number 3. Straight ahead, going to be bath number 2. Standard tub shower combination, 3-bulb light strip at the top, standard vanity. We've got glacier quartzite on the countertop with a crescent edging. We've got sunset falls on the back. That's a ceramic tile. Oh yeah, hi everybody. Any ladies watching this video, I'm telling you that it's raining like cats and dogs out there, and you can tell when you look at my hair. Bedroom number 2. Walking slow. These floors get slick when they're just off of the production line from the cleaner. Here's the closet. Right across the street here, bedroom number 3. Again, this is the Windale, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,500 square feet. Also has a family room. We're gonna see in just a few moments. Okay, here we go. Here's that 9 light I was talking about, 9 panes of glass to give you the optimal natural sunlight. Washer dryer area. They've added some washer dryer cabinets. I love this little nook right here. It's a nice little space to hang some stuff. Coming into the kitchen, we've got kind of a galley kitchen. Let me give you a shot of that. So we've got partially the kitchen up against the wall, and then your refrigerator area over here. Oh mama, this looks good. I love when we take our refrigerator and we surround it with cabinets. So you've got 3 drawers here, 3 there. Oh yes, 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 yes. Side by side with ice and water in the door. Here's the island. Added an extra bank of drawers, a couple stem lights over the island, dishwasher, microwave over the range. Now here's where it gets really good. This is the dining area. That wind is really whipping the plastic. But these homes go down the road as fast as, you can imagine. Dining area. And then this is a family room area. So plenty of space in this home, and the price is right, and you get to personalize it. It doesn't get much better than that. One more spot here. We're gonna go find the primary closet and the primary bath. All right, here we go. We've got an extended upgraded vanity. So we've got a bank of drawers, 2 sinks, and some extra cabinetry. Plus I love that little cutout at the bottom. Agile shower, and there you go. We know we got a window in here. Agile shower. Now, the material of the shower is not ceramic. This is fiberglass. And then check out the barn-style hardware at the top, so you get a nice smooth close when you're closing the shower door. I literally will fall on my face if I move any faster. Hi, everybody. All right, last but not least, ta-da! Primary closet, shirt and skirt racks. I'm telling you guys, $116 gives you double the storage on that wall. Do it, do it, do it. There you have it. Enola and Charles, thank you from the bottom of my heart for letting me be a part of your journey. And I hope everyone out there has a very Merry Christmas, and you come and see me next year. Thanks so much.